Minisita avunanyizibwa ku nsonga z'amasanyalaze n'ebyobugagga eby'obuttaka Minisita avunanyizibwa ku masanyalaze n'ebyobugagga eby'omuttaka Ruth Nankabirwa ategeezezza nga gavumenti gy'alimu bw'erina amasanyalaze agamala okulaba nga buli disitulikiti mu ggwanga efuna amasanyalaze. Nankabirwa okwogera bino abadde mu disitulikiti ya Yumbe ng'atongoza amasanyalaze agagenda okutambula mu magombolola agabolerako ddala okuli Alafa ne Twajiji era nga amasanyalaze gano gagenda kubanga gayamba naddala abalimi. Nankabirwa agambye nti gavumenti mu nteekateeka yaayo eya Vision 40 yakulaba nga buli kyalo mu ggwanga kifuna amasanyalaze nti era ekiseera bwe kinatuukira nga buli kyalo bamaze okukiwa amasanyalaze.
That we have power to transmit and distribute to the districts at least. That no district in Uganda must be in darkness. No sub-county in Uganda must be in darkness because we have enough power to take up to the sub-counties. Our biggest hydropower plant is Karuma, which is going to give us 600 megawatts. But so far we have tested 3 units and 300 megawatts have been synchronized. We are remaining with 300 megawatts.
Ono akubirizza abantu ab'omu West Nile okukozesa obulungi amasanyalaze gano okwekulaakulanya n'okweyagalira mu gavumenti eriko.
Up to the national grid, Waki hydropower plant to Hoima substation. So, we are committed to distribute power. We are concentrating on generation. We have the sun in Uganda. There is no day that passes without seeing the sun. But we also have potential for geothermal, about 1,500 megawatts. We have potential for nuclear energy, about 24,000 megawatts from nuclear energy. So we are planning to generate more power because we are bringing investors down in your districts. We are creating industrial parks. And thank you so much, Chair, and the team at the district for the land that you offer to such development. The land that you offer for industrial parks, for factories.
Ye omubaka wa Parliamenti atwala ekitundu ekyaringa East era nga ye minisita omubeezi ow'ebyokwerinda Kuda Oleru akubiriza abantu b'omu kitundu kino okukola ennyo nga beeyambisa amasanyalaze nti kubanga babadde balufuula luyimba nga beekwasa nti ekisibye enkulaakulana mu bitundu byabwe masanyalaze.
You're coming and we thank you in a very special way for coming to launch this rural electrification, not only in refugee camp, but we are going to proceed in other sub-counties. This is a clear indicator that government is not sitting on the manifesto of the NRM ruling government, whereby rural electrification is one of the key manifesto in the 2021-2026.
Y'omubaka omukyala wa Yumbe disitulikiti ava Komeresa agambye nti ekikoleddwa gavumenti kabonero akalaga nti neeteefuteefu okuyamba abantu b'omu bitundu bya West Nile okwekulaakulanya.
Stop with this ratification as you have promised us again, connect us to the national grid so that we have enough power to have more factories to come in this place. We are strategically located. We have abundant market from Congo and South Sudan. So anything that is produced in this area will not lack market. The only thing is we need to organize ourselves and produce more and follow the standards. And to do that, we need the power. Therefore, we really thank you that today you are here to symbolize the work you are doing.
Open the flag. Open the flag.
Open the flag. We are going to plow.
Yes.
This is what we call mechanization.